some drip on. Oh my God. It works. It works. Holy shit. Nice. Take it for a little spin. That's what I get for wanting to show off at the Toyota dealership. I don't know what to do. What do I do? Definitely don't open it. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna call my daddy.
So I forgot to film after this, but basically my dad had checked the coolant level night before, and the cap was a little loose. So tightened the cap and then put some coolant in it. Got me home, so there was no problem. And I just ordered a bunch of maintenance crap, like some air filters, oil filter, and so I'll be changing all that probably in the next video. I just wanted to get a video out saying that my cluster gauge is all good finally. So I guess he did not scam me after not replying to any messages for a week, but it's all G. Things are happening, so